Hey guys, it's Noel here, and in this video we are going to look at creating your autoresponder welcome email in GetResponse. Now, in order to do this, I am going to use the template that we created in the previous videos, and all I'm going to do here is I'm in my autoresponder area, I have my list selected, and here is the autoresponder template that we created. Now what I'm going to do is come over to the right hand side, hover over the three dots here, and click on duplicate, okay? And it brings us here to the autoresponder area. Now all we need to do is actually just label this. So I'm going to call this welcome email. So you can call it whatever you want, but it's the welcome email, so that's what I'm going to call it. I'm just going to put in day 0 just to label it. Now it's going out on day 0 in the sequence because this is going out immediately when somebody signs up to your email list. Now in this area here, you're going to want to make sure that the correct list is selected. So in our example here, this is the list that we are using, okay? And the timing of your email when to send it is set on immediately. Because when somebody joins your email list, you want this email to arrive, okay? Or if your email list is on double opt-in, once they click the confirmation link in the confirmation email, boom, you want this email to go out to them. Now we come down here and you can either create a new email or simply come here and click edit email. Now because we have this template for a reason, we're just going to simply click edit email. Now over here again, we're going to label our message accordingly. Okay, so message name, I'm going to call it same welcome email day 0. Now for the subject headline, this is going to vary depending on what your product is about, what your service is about, what you are giving away as the free gift in order to have somebody join your email list. Now for the purpose of these videos, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use one of my funnels and I'm going to use one of the free gifts. Okay, so it's just going to make it very easy and easy for you to follow along with me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is jump on over to a document that I have. Now this is something that I give to people who are promoting this product here. And we can see here I have all the different promotional emails that people use. Now the one we are interested in is the one called free logo pack. So this is the welcome email, okay? And basically what I have is I have all the subject lines laid out for people, and then I have some email swipes, the body of the email that they can copy and put in and use and change it up a little bit, but use as their own. So what we are looking for here is we're looking for a subject line. So basically, I'm just going to use this. Here's your logo pack, or you can download your logo pack here because the free gift that we're going to use is a free pack of website logos. So I'm just going to use the very first one here and I'll copy it. Okay. I'll come back over here. I'm putting it in as our subject line. Okay. So here it is. Here's your logo pack. If you want to personalize it and put in little emojis, you can do that also. I'm not going to worry about that. Make sure your correct sender email address is in here and then follow along to the next step. Now the great thing is we have our email template already set up here. Okay, so it just speeds up this whole process. All our text is formatted as we want, the size is correct, the font is correct. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our document and we're going to copy the email body of this email, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come along here and I'm going to try and highlight all of this and just copy it, okay? And I'm going to come back in here. I'm going to paste it in, okay? Now there's a little bit more I need to copy. So I'm just going to copy the second part of it. And we're going to copy it and come back in here. Awesome. Okay, so what we need to do then is edit this email. So I'm going to get rid of this text up here. Perfect. And what we're going to do is at the end of the email, we're just going to edit the end of it. So I'm going to get rid of this text. Perfect. Now what you're going to want to do is edit it accordingly. Okay, so for example, whatever your free gift is, you're going to want to be putting in the download link here. Now we will have a look at this in more details in a while, but for example, if your download link was, for example, google.com, you would put in here, https google.com. Okay, so this would be the download link. This would be the delivery link of whatever you are giving away. Okay, now because you put the link in, you can delete the instructions. Okay, and down here then it says watch the video here. You are going to want to put in, as it says here, the affiliate link or the bonus link or whatever it is you're promoting. Now since we are using this document as an example, we can go back up here. You can see there's an affiliate link. So you would simply grab your affiliate link, you would put in your ClickBank ID in place of this, and you would highlight it here. Okay, so again, don't worry too much about this at the moment. We'll go into this in more detail in another video. But again, you would click on this link area here, you would put in your link and click OK. And down here, you would simply change this to your name. Okay, so I'm just going to put in my name here and click full stop. Now, what you're also going to want to do is you're going to want to highlight all of this text. You're going to want to copy it. And you see down here where it says plain text, you're going to click on this. You're going to highlight the old text. You're going to delete it. And you're going to paste in the new text. Okay, and you're going to click wrap long lines. Okay. Now, what you can do is you can come up here, you can do a spam score check, you can do an inbox preview, you can send a test message. We're going to leave all of that just for the moment. And what we're going to do is we're going to come along here and click on next step. It brings us back to the screen where we set up all our settings, okay? So just check these again. Sometimes it doesn't save this and you need to enter them again. So make sure welcome email day 0. Going out on day 0, that's fine. Your email list is correct. The message is going out immediately. That's perfect. And what we're going to do is we're going to click save and publish. Okay, so now we can see our email here is in the next part of the sequence. The next section here, you can see it's turned on at the moment. So if somebody signs up to this list, they will be getting this email immediately. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to click preview. We're just going to take a look at our hard work. So you can see we have a subject line. You can see we have the body of an email, and you can see we have some links in here. Obviously, if you were setting this up for real, you would put in your real download and access link in here. And obviously down here, you would have to put in your real affiliate link. Okay. But this is just an example of how you would set up your welcome email in GetResponse. Now, to recap what we did in this video, we came along in here, we duplicated the template that we created. Remember our template? We simply duplicated it, okay? And then we set up the welcome email from it. Now, when you're setting up your own emails, if you want to use this, I will put in a link to this doc somewhere below this video in the members area, okay? So if you're not in the members area, be sure to set up an account. I would put a link somewhere where you can join, okay? Then you will be able to actually get your real ClickBank ID and put in your real ClickBank ID and obviously use this follow-up sequence. There's no problem at all. You can do that and I'll be happy to help you with that, okay? But the main thing is the functions of this, the structure of this, how to physically come on in to GetResponse, how to duplicate your template, how to put in your new content, and how to put in your links, how to put in your email settings, so on and so forth, okay? So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually just going to unpublish this because we'll be coming back to this email a little bit later and editing it a little bit more, putting in some real affiliate links, so on and so forth. So what we'll do is we'll end this video here and we'll continue on in the next video.